This is an unboxing video for the E70 G2 ESC. At first glance, you'll notice a box sealed with plastic wrap. The packaging is minimalist. Simply remove the wrap to access the E70 G2 and its accessories inside. The surrounding foam effectively prevents object collisions and protects the equipment. XT60HM blackmail connector 30 AWG 40mm reverse dual-ended SH 1.0 to 8P flat cable 30 AWG 60mm single-ended SH 1.0 to 8P flat cable 12 AWG 100mm black and red power cable 35 volt 680 microfarads solid capacitor 5 PC SM3 asterisk 8mm shock absorber balls. The E70 G2, as one of the ESCs and a key component of the flight controller stack system, serves a crucial function. To support the high-performance operation of the drone, we have specifically equipped E70 G2 with an STM32G071 processor, supporting Beal Heli 32, AM32 firmware versions. Support 2 to 8S input voltage. Single-channel continuous current is 70 ampere, with a peak current of up to 150 ampere. Built-in ammeter with telemetry feedback capability, enabling real-time updates of RPM, temperature, and current data during flight. High copper, thick multi-layer PCB design enhances current carrying capacity and improves heat dissipation performance, ensuring reliable operation under heavy load conditions. Innovative improvements to the solder pads. The bevel design not only enhances the aesthetics of motor wiring, but also further reduces soldering difficulty. The 30.5*30.5mm mounting hole spacing accommodates the most common specifications available on the market. Regarding the accessories section, 30 AWG 40mm reverse dual head SH 1.0 to 8P flat cable for connecting the flight controller, 30 AWG 60mm single-ended SH 1.0 to 8P flat cable, one end for connection and the other for soldering. (12 AWG 100mm power cable) XT60HM blackmail connector. Properly pairing these two components ensures the battery continuously supplies stable current to the ESC. 35 volt 680 microfarads solid capacitor. Low thermal stability and internal resistance. This makes it more advantageous in circuits requiring rapid charging and discharging and high-frequency signals, while being less susceptible to temperature variations. If you have any suggestions or feedback after watching the video, feel free to reach out to us. We'll listen to your input and provide feedback.